Okay, we're gonna make something really yummy from some leftover dough. Now, if you want this recipe, you'll have to watch the video I posted prior to this. I made some hand pies, and this is the dough that I had left over from the hand pies. But we're not gonna waste this. I'm gonna roll this out and try to get it as flat as I can, probably about a fourth to half an inch. I'm just gonna take some Crisco and oil down this sheet pan. Now, I've got some butter left over from earlier when I made the hand pies, and I'm going to brush this onto the dough. Now you'll need some pepperoni, and I just cut this into fours, and I probably used maybe a half a cup. Now I'm going to add some cheese, so I've got some Parmesan cheese. You can sprinkle as much or as little as you want. I didn't go off of a recipe. I just wanted to utilize that leftover dough, and plus we had a football game today and I needed some finger foods. Also, I'm going to add some mild cheddar cheese as well. I've got just a little bit in a bag that I need to utilize. And just sprinkle with love. I just pour it all on top. Okay. Now we're going to add some mozzarella, because mozzarella makes everything better, in my opinion anyways. Go ahead and sprinkle some of that on there. And now I'm going to take a knife and I'm going to cut about 1.5 inch slices into the dough on each side. I'm going to start on one end and fold it up, and then I'm just going to start crisscrossing the dough. This is going to be so yummy. I just know it. Now I'm just going to put this in the oven on 350 degrees and cook this for about 20 minutes. Y'all, I think it's time for me to clean that oven. What do y'all think? But anyways, so I got it out of the oven, and now I'm going to take that butter that I've got melted, and I'm just going to brush that on top. Grab some garlic powder, and I'm going to sprinkle some of that on top. Now a little parsley. And now I'm going to brush it again with some butter. And I'm going to add a little more garlic and parsley on top of it. And just keep putting that butter on there. Y'all, I put this in the refrigerator overnight and we reheated it today for the ball game. And this was so good. My grandson just went on and on about it. It really was good. And this was basically biscuit dough. So, hey, if you have some biscuit dough left over, here's an idea for you. I hope all of you have a great Sunday.